Are you eating whipped cream, Cooper? Yummy, yummy. Here, let me help you out there. Mmm. Mmm. You're so silly. Yum.
You like that? Hi. How big is Cooper? How big? He's so big. No, I'm good, thank you. You eat. Hey, Cooper, what did Matt teach you? Where'd that voice come from?
He's looking around for you, Matt.
How strange. Our sofa sounds like Matt Weiss. You? Yes? A sound we never hear.
Ooh.
Who could it be? Who is it?
Oh, my friend Haley wants to buy the store pack for her calc class because I had that last semester. She said they're out of them at the bookstore.
This is big news on the video. This is so funny. Good?